Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the sound effects on the My Little Pony Coloring Budge application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and go to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen. Click to the numbers 1754, and this is the settings and info section. You can find the sound effects button under the music, and if you want to turn it off, just click to the next circle icon, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.